up everyone, I am your host Satyajit and welcome back to Spirit Tales. So guys, my today's video is all about a rum cocktail. So guys, I'm back again with my another easy and unique cocktail recipe for you. So let's not waste more time, let's make the cocktail. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's go.
So today I'm gonna show you how to make White Monk. For this cocktail, you need a beautiful chilled glass. Let's put some ice into the glass so that it gets chilled properly and keep it aside. Perfect. And now let's mix the ingredients. For White Monk, I'm gonna use Old Monk dark rum. So 60 ml of Old Monk dark rum. And next I'm gonna add 60 ml of full cream milk because Old Monk has a smooth creamy consistency and you will get notes of caramel chocolate with a hint of vanilla flavor. So I thought it will be the good option. So 60 ml of full cream milk. If you are lactose intolerant or vegan, you can go with almond or soya milk. For sweetening the drink, I am adding 30 ml of honey. Perfect. And next I am gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can use cinnamon syrup also guys. And finally I am gonna add 1 dash of vanilla essence. Lots of ice into your shaker. I need more ice, so this much will be good. Perfect. Close the lid and shake it with smile. Finally it's done and you can see the thick and creamy drink is getting dispensed out of the shaker. Alright, perfect. And for garnish, I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon powder on the top of the drink. And your White Monk is ready to go. Cheers! That's all for this video guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your recipe with us in comment box. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video.